a guy named Zdeněk Mašat, ain't hard to see. Works at AIMTEC and ED, loves his coffee strong and beer in the night. Coding away, making everything right. Hey, Zdeněk Mašat, with your big old heart, riding that train, you're so smart. Linux and Bash, you know them so well. In the world of tech, you sure do excel. Docker and Kubernetes, he knows them too. Fixing bugs, making systems run smooth. And when the days and the screen goes dark, he's a super dad, making his mark. Hey, Zdeněk Mašat, with your big old heart, riding that train, you're so smart. A cup of coffee, a pint of beer with friends and family, you bring cheer. On the train to work, through rain or shine, helping out friends any place, anytime. A tech whiz, a dad, a friend so dear. Zdeněk Mašat, we're glad you're here. Every morning he's up with the dawn to AIMTEC, he's never withdrawn. With a laptop in hand, he starts his day in the world of the VDI. He leads the way. At home he's the hero his kids adore, telling tales and so much more. In the evening when work's all done, it's family time, full of fun. Hey, Zdeněk Mašat, with your big old heart, riding that train, you're so smart. Linux and Bash in your command, making a difference, hand in hand. From AIMTEC's halls to the family nest, Zdeněk Mašat is simply the best. A mentor, a father, a friend so true. In every task, you see it through. Cheers to Zdeněk with skills so vast. In the tech world he's unsurpassed, but it's his laughter, his caring way that lights up our world every single day.